Okay, looking at a trade on Nike here. Notice that I did put a measurement on this angle right here. I trade this pattern often enough that it's about time that I start getting real measurements on it and start back testing it more and more. Notice that I drew it here and not here. Why? One, because if you establish minimum requirements, there's no way that this can meet any minimum requirements. You know, like this angle is just too steep, and if most points you try to connect are just very biased lines. I don't even think this one works. Not really. I mean, it's a pretty biased line as well. Again, I don't think this meets minimum requirements, especially with what we're seeing at the, I don't know, maybe it does. You don't get too big of a run in there, but I don't know. Nonetheless, this does not qualify for this breakout. Sorry for the rambling. Let's get on with the trade. I like how the RSI looks right here. If we break above this line, we're golden until this point that I didn't draw right here. And I think that's really just going to coincide with this line in general right there. So I say that because I don't really have too good of a reason for saying it. But nonetheless, it needs to break above this line with a good RSI, I think, and this is a valid trade at that point. So we will see. I don't know what's up with this angle because it was like 42 earlier. Now it's 37.31, so that's weird. MACD is looking all right. RSI. We got to break this line, like I said. So something to watch for. I'm not going to enter this trade in yet. I'm going to watch it pretty closely. I'll go ahead and switch over to the 30-minute chart here. A little bit of a double bottom on that rally up there. Having trouble breaking this point right here, and I'm going to write that down for my trade entry. 54.18. I should probably get rid of this time scale, shouldn't I? Yeah, we need it. Like I said, see, we've already tested this resistance line, and as you can see on the 30-minute chart, so we need to be going above it. Looks like it's a buy past 54.27 or so. 54.33 is probably what I'd play, that top right there. I like Nike. I think Nike's a good play, and if this is a swing trade that I can make, then I'm all for it. I don't want to be wrong. Said everybody ever, but we will see. And I think that having some discipline will help me. So it's my trade idea. I like the volume that we're seeing at open. If I see good volume coming across this bar, we'll buy. So that's the idea.